Enough over the thing to remember. The scene starts to crumble to the sound of the drums. Oh boy, there ain't no need to fight a silent ring. It ain't no big thing, just show her a little
This is the location we will discuss in this video.
Definition of waste. Waste is material that is no longer went or considered useless and is discarded after use. Waste can originate from various human activities such as household, industries, agricultural, and others. Improper waste management can cause environmental and health problems. Type of waste. First, organic waste. Material that can naturally decompose by microorganisms. Example include food scraps, leaves, twigs, and other natural materials. Second, inorganic waste. Material that cannot decompose naturally or takes a very long time to decompose. Example include plastic, metal, glass, and other synthetic materials. Third, hazardous and toxic waste by tree waste. Material that contains hazardous and toxic substance that can endanger human health and the environment. Examples include medical waste, batteries, pesticides, and industrial chemicals. Fourth, household waste. Waste generated from daily activities at home. This can include organic waste like food scraps and inorganic waste like plastic and paper packaging. Fifth, industrial waste. Waste produced from production processing factories or industries. The types can be very diverse depending on the industry, including solid, liquid, and gaseous waste. 6. Electronic waste. Electronic items that no longer function are no longer used, such as computers, mobile phones, television, and batteries. 7. Construction and demolition waste. Waste produced from construction or demolition activities. Example include concrete, wood bricks, and metal. Finally, medical waste. Waste generated from medical activities such as use syringes, expert medicine, and surgical remains. Carelessly disposed waste, especially near residential areas, can cause various negative impacts, including
carelessly disposed waste, especially near residential areas, can cause various negative impacts, including health impact. The first is infectious diseases. Accumulated waste becomes a breeding ground for various pathogens, including bacteria, viruses, and parasites, leading to diseases such as diarrhea, cholera, dengue fever, and malaria. The second is skin and respiratory infection. Direct exposure to waste, especially those containing hazardous chemical or medical waste, can cause skin infection and respiratory problems. The third is poisoning. Waste containing toxic substances, such as heavy metals and chemicals, can contaminate water and soil, leading to poisoning in humans who consume the contaminated water or plants. Environmental impact. The first is soil pollution. Hazardous chemicals from waste can seep into the soil, damaging its structure and affecting soil fertility. The second is water pollution. Carelessly disposed waste can pollute water sources, including wells, rivers, and seas, endangering aquatic ecosystem and human health. The third is air pollution. Uncontrolled waste burning releases toxic gases and harmful particles into the air, polluting it and causing respiratory issues for nearby residents. Social and economic impact is 1. Decreased quality of life. Dirty and unhealthy environments lower the quality of life, reduce comfort, and increase the risk of disease. 2. Decreased property values. Areas filled with waste tend to experience a decrease in property values, making them less attractive to investors and buyers. 3. Waste management cost. Government and communities must incur additional costs to clean and manage carelessly disposed waste. Ecological impact. As the ecological impact, the first one is ecosystem disruption. Waste can damage the natural habitat of animals and plants, disrupting the balance of local ecosystems. The last is animal death. Animals may mistake waste for food, leading to death from poisoning or choking. To mitigate this negative impact, it is essential to implement good waste management practice such as separating waste, recycling, and ensuring waste is properly disposed of and managed. Public education and law enforcement related to waste disposal are also crucial steps in addressing this issue.